So today I'm gonna show you how to fix the incompatible software component detector error in Valorant. And honestly, this issue scared me at first too, because the game suddenly stopped launching and Vanguard kept blocking everything. On top of that, I was also getting the corrupt game data detected message, so I thought my whole game was broken, but don't worry. The fix is actually really simple and you probably don't even need to reinstall the game. Most of the time this happens because one of the Valorant DLL files gets corrupted. Sometimes Windows causes it, sometimes your antivirus quarantines a file by mistake, and sometimes a background app conflicts with Riot Vanguard. So first, what you want to do is go down to the system tray on the bottom right side of your screen and close any unnecessary apps running in the background. If you have an antivirus running, temporarily exit it because sometimes antivirus software blocks Vanguard or corrupts game files while scanning. Also close VPNs, overclocking tools, RGB software, emulators, or anything that hooks into the system because Vanguard is super sensitive about that stuff. Once you do that, open up the Riot Client, and when the client detects corrupted files, you should see a repair button right here. Just click on it and let Riot do its thing. It's basically gonna scan all the Valorant files and automatically replace any missing or corrupted DLL files. Depending on your SSD or internet speed, this can take a couple of minutes. So just be patient and let it finish completely. Now, after the repair is done, restart your PC just to make sure Vanguard reloads properly. Then launch Valorant again, and the error should be completely gone. For me, the game started normally again without the incompatible software message or the corrupt game data error. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you out because I know how annoying this issue can be when you just want to hop into a game and suddenly Vanguard decides to ruin your day. If this worked for you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.